ripped it.
We call this wind therapy, and it is Sunday morning, and we are in our own church.
Hey. You guys good? We're going this way. Nick, you loving it?
Yeah, man.
All right, awesome. Word. Good time today?
They call us the Aprilia Kings.
Ooh, the Aprilia Kings, huh? Is there a reason why you're the Aprilia Kings?
We're both.
Moto Lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's gonna help you out. He's gonna turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about?
What's going on, ADV hooligans, ADV Gourmet here, and today we're gonna go on a little ride. We got some guys coming over. It's a little overcast today, but I think we're gonna have lots of adventure. So sit back, relax, stay tuned, and the guys should be arriving anytime now. Well, it looks like the ADV hooligans showed up. Got a little bit of rain. We're waiting on a couple more to come. We're gonna get on our way. What? We got so many cool bikes today. Yeah, lots of cool bikes today. All right, have some fun. All right, Sunday. Overcast, a little bit of sprinkles, and nothing but adventure lies ahead. See you soon. Gather right here. Make sure everyone's good. You guys good? We're going this way. You good, Nick? Okay. I feel like I'm gonna wash out. Yeah, I know, right? Hey, so you gotta lean back. You gotta lean back. Yeah. Get your ass back. Get back on the seat? Yeah. Now we got part 2. Figured you were doing that for some reason.
Man, this is like being in church, man.
You guys having a good time? Oh, dude, this is awesome. Looks like we got a little mud on the winds here. That always means a good time there. All right. Good time today?
They call us the Aprilia Kings.
Ooh, the Aprilia Kings, huh? Is there a reason why you're the Aprilia Kings?
We're both
You're the
riding
only
Touareg
Aprilias?
660s, and we feel like kings today because
Well, when you rip past me, you look like a king today. Let me say that. You ripped it.
we call this wind therapy, and it is Sunday morning, and we are in our own church.
There you go. Word to that, right? Yeah, we're having a good time today. Weather is, I would say, almost perfect. I mean, really? We got the world champion Charlie there, motocross. How you guys? You guys liking it today?
Oh yeah.
Good times? Yeah? Appreciate you joining us today. It was awesome.
Thanks for having us.
So,
Yeah, it was nice of you kids.
you guys have not, okay, so they've been to the rally, all right? You guys have not been to the rally. What do you guys think about these rides so far?
That's a nice ride.
Yeah? And that's just the rally loop.
That is the ride, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's the 77-mile loop that goes around, you know, kind of our little area.
Yeah.
We got way more. We got almost 600 miles more. We're going to introduce this year.
Nice. Through the Francis Marion.
That is part of it, but most of it is actually on the other side. So we're going to push out towards the Walterboro area.
Yep.
And honestly, on the other side of 95.
Yep.
That's right.
Oh,
See,
that's
in
right.
stereo.
There, yep.
So, Nick, you loving it?
Yeah, man.
All right, awesome. Word. Yeah, right. A little more concentration. Like, got to think about, watch the lines. Yeah, for sure. All right, well, there's more riding to come. All right, guys, so we've been having a great time today. This has been awesome. I think if you ask any of those guys, they'd say the same. Beautiful day. Weather is absolutely perfect, and so has been the riding. Yeah, so until next time, see you guys, all you ADV hooligans out on the trails. Peace.